So first, if you want to create an account, just sign in using your Google. That is the fastest way. Then just enter your birthday. After that, Pipit will ask, what do you feel like creating today? And here you can choose whether you want to make a marketing video, avatar video, AI talking photo, poster, or product photo. On top, you'll see you have 400 free credits since you're a new user. And yes, those are used for generating and exporting content. But just a heads up, the free credits expired today, okay? So let's check out the tools on the left side panel. So let's say you click on a video editor. Here you just need to paste your website link and Pipit will generate a video for you. Okay, so next we have the image editor, and this one is super handy. So you can remove background from your uploaded image. Use AI background. So this tool is just upload your product photo and choose the background you want. They have a bunch of style to pick from. So you can also create poster, enhance photos using the upscale image tool, and try other options like Crossify, AI model, batch edit, and another full image editor. So just scroll down and you see tons of templates you can use for your product. Once you find one, click change product and it will automatically switch to your uploaded product photo. Super easy, right? So let's go for this section, the inspiration tab. So this is where you'll find trending video ideas from social media. You can click one
Recommend the recently popular retro Bluetooth earphones to everyone. The overall design is very retro.
and generate a similar style of video. So you can choose a product link, choose from a product, or manually add your product. So you just scroll down and you see even more layout option and video types. So for the avatars and voices, here you can choose a human-like avatar that looks super realistic to promote your product or business. And later on, I show you how all of this work using a real product. But overall, this tool is everything. It's super useful for content creators and especially for entrepreneurs. It's literally like an all-in-one digital marketing tool. So, okay, let's proceed to image studio. So I will show you how to use this one. So let's pick a template and change it with our product. For example, I will choose this one. Okay, so click on the device and upload your product photo. And look, as you can see, Pipit is now generating the new image and replacing the original product with ours. Now, just adjust it a little to make it fit the background we choose. Okay? So after that, that's it. Just like that you already have a ready to post image for social media, right? So you can also download it too. So now, let's try the video editor. This one is my favorite. So here, just paste your website link. It can be your shop, your Facebook page, anything you want to promote. And Pipit AI will automatically create a video for you. So for example, I paste a Pinterest link just to show you how powerful this is. So click generate, then confirm. Now Pipit AI will analyze the website and grab all the info it needs to create your promo video. So let's wait. Okay. So once it's done, you can now adjust your content. So you can add your video highlights. So see your target audience. So Pipit AI already generate this based on your site, but you can still edit or add more. So choose your avatar. So just click. Okay, for example, I click this one. Okay, then apply and then confirm. So you can also choose a smart voice for your avatar. So this is the AI voice. So after that, you can also choose video size. Usually I go for 9 by 16 for reels. And also you can set the language here. And then Pipit will show you a recommended video here. So this style is based on your business. Since Pinterest is more artistic, These are the style it recommends for me. So just pick one and click select. So once you're done, you can now generate the video. Since this one costs 120 credits, but since I have 400 free, so let's go. Okay. So once the video is ready, so Pipit will say lip sync in the preview is not the final, okay? So we prioritize the past preview for you. So it might look off for now, but once exported, your video will be perfectly synced. So just click got it. So now all your videos will show up here. You can preview or download them. You can also pick just one or a few depending on what you need, okay? So let's try downloading one. So here, you can also edit the video. You can also change the fonts or remove parts if you want. So it's up to you. So once you're happy, for example, you already edited this video, so just click the export video. So you can choose no watermark since you have a free credits, right? So and then you'll see the download progress in the taskbar. So just click got it. So then open your download and boom, here's the final output.
Discover a world where art thrives. With Pinterest, you can connect, share, and inspire. Turn your passions into beautiful visuals that resonate with art lovers everywhere.
So looks super realistic, right? But I didn't even fully edit the text, okay? Just to show you how to use it. But you can totally change that in the edit section, right? So okay, and that's it. You've seen how powerful Pipit AI is and how easy it is to use, especially if you're a creator or entrepreneur who wants to create content quickly. So everything you need for digital marketing is already here, just all in one place.